Okay, so welcome to the first 2018 lesson on Java programming. I'm making use of jdoodle.com, it's JDOODLE.com, jdoodle, and I've selected Java from the programming languages. What you're looking at just now is a basic setup they give you for this. There's things I don't like in this. I don't like the way these, let's call them curly brackets. There's an open one which is facing left, or I like to see maybe a bow and arrow that faces left. There's one down there as well that faces right. What I do is I take this one here and put it in a new line. I want this one here underneath the word public to line up with this one at the very bottom here. And this is this thing called a class. I put in this start class, 2 forward slashes and the word start class. That's like a message to you to remind yourself what's happening. It's not actual code. I also put an end class at the bottom there to indicate where the start of the class starts, which is up here, and the end of the class finishes. Anything within start and end are inside this class. There's also another line that says public, and again one of these open curly brackets. I'll move it down to the next line. Put in start main, again with these comments, these slashes, and end main. Anything between here, there and there, is within this thing called main. So initially we have a class, and within the class is all this stuff here, and within main is all this stuff here. This stuff here I don't like, so I'm going to delete it, and that gives us this look and feel. What we're looking at just now is the basic shape of a Java program, and it's the way I'd like you to set your new program at this point onwards. I'm going to add in a few commands, not too many, but just a few, so you can see how some of this sort of stuff works. I think the first thing to do is maybe to show you information that goes to the screen. The screen is output. As far as I'm concerned, the output means sending something somewhere. I mean, we could have sent it to the printer, but usually things get sent to the screen. To do that, you need to use the word system. System with a capital S, then a full stop, then out, another full stop, then print. This is the first way of doing it. What I'm saying here is, I want to use this computer system. I want to send something out of it. So out is like output. And the method using this thing says print. And print basically means I want to see something on the default output. The default output is your screen. Now you have to put these in open curved brackets and close curved brackets and a semicolon. Anything within the curved brackets, that is the information you'll see on the screen, and the semicolon means it's the end of the actual command. So this whole thing is an actual command. You're telling the Java, this is a command I want to actually use. We'll do silly stuff initially. So open double quotes, and in this package here, it also gives you a close double quotes, which helps a lot. So in between these double quotes is where you can send stuff to the screen. Now my name's Matty, so I'll say M-A-T-T-Y. And that should hopefully appear on the screen. Now in this package, I'm going to scroll down. And when I scroll down, I'll find a button that says execute. I'll click on execute, and what it does is it looks at all of my Java commands and says, okay, where's the first one? It finds it, and it then shows the information here. So this is it showing the phrase Matty, or the word Matty, on the screen. Let's scroll back up and look at that again. So system out print, open curved bracket, close curved bracket, semicolon, and anything within it will show on the screen. And in this case, I've got quotes, and quotes basically mean I want to see some text information. If I want, I can make it take a brand new line by doing this. A little slash and an N like that. That little slash is next to the Z key. And slash N means take a new line, which is like pressing the enter key on the screen. I'll put in 2018, and that should appear now in the second line. I'll scroll down. I'll hit that execute command again. So it now says Matty, new line, 2018. So you make things appear in different lines if you want to. So that's one way of doing it. Another way of achieving exactly the same thing is to do this instead. So I have this line, but I change that to print ln. So it's an L and an N, and that means print new line. So what I'll do is I'll take that one command, and it'll show the information on the screen, which is Matty, and then it presses the enter key automatically on the screen. Because I want to see 2018 in the next line, I can do this. I could say print, And then of course I can now execute it. So it now gives you the same result by using two different commands instead. So Mate is on one line, 2018 is on another line. And up PC it says print ln. So all this stuff is shown on the screen, takes new line, and this one just goes on the next line. I'll not put ln in there, there's no need because it doesn't have to take a new line. So that was two ways of seeing the same thing. So that's how you send information like text to the screen.